When you want to be seen as an expert, when you want to be seen as a trusted resource, when you want to really guarantee an outcome for somebody, you need a video testimonial in order to imbue that trust and communicate that people have been through this process before and that it works, that it's successful. My name is Haines. I'm one of the co-founders of Conversion Factory. We're a product marketing agency for SaaS companies. When I think about spreading out all these video testimonials throughout our landing page, marketing materials, and sharing with our clients, we knew that we didn't want to take the risk of anything that felt low quality or cheap or not genuine. And so that was a no-brainer with Testimonial Hero. And I know that it's going to be a guaranteed outcome, a guaranteed quality. It's going to be a guaranteed timeline. They've really nailed that process, the secret formula, the secret sauce. It's right there in between where it feels authentic, but it's still high quality enough to really showcase that there was effort that went into this and that it is professional. I love how concierge it feels for clients. It feels like a luxury handheld experience, kind of a premium service. We know that they're in good hands. They're going to feel very safe and led. So if someone was evaluating Testimonial Hero right now, I would ask them, what are you waiting for? I don't think that you're going to find another service that's going to be able to do it the same way or at the same price point or the same guaranteed outcome on a timeline. It was just totally a seamless experience.